Educated Delight. I am Sanvi Sridhar. Today we are going to learn about multiples and factors, and in this chapter we are going to learn about natural numbers and whole numbers, prime numbers and composite numbers, divisibility test, factors and multiples, HCF and LCM. So first, natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers which starts from 1. Example 1, 2, 3 and so on. Natural numbers are also called as counting numbers and whole numbers. So whole numbers starts from 0 and 1, 2, so on. This is whole numbers and natural numbers. So prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which does not come in any tables. Examples of these numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 7 and so on. And did you know that 2 is the only even prime number? There is no other even prime number. Then composite numbers. Composite numbers are the numbers which does comes in the tables of other numbers. Examples of these numbers are 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. And 1 is neither composite number nor prime number. Divisibility test. Divisibility test is a test where you see the given number is divisible by the particular number without doing any actual division. Let us do the divisibility test of 2. For that number, I am going to have 2 examples, which is 124. And the other example is 125. So, to know if this number and this number is divisible by 2, we have to see whether this number is even or odd. You guys know, right, what is even or odd? Even number means the numbers which end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. And odd numbers are the numbers which end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this number which is 124 and is an even number and it is divisible by 2. Okay? And 125, it is not an even number, it is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Divisibility test by 3. For doing the divisibility test by 3, I have given the example 126 and 127. So you have to add the digits in this number. So here I have add. So 1 plus 2 plus 6 is equals to 9. And 9 does comes in the table of 3. So this is divisible by 3. The next example is 127. When you add 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. 10 does not come in the table of 9. So this is not divisible by 3. Now we will see the divisibility test by 4. So the divisibility test by 4 is have to check the last 2 numbers, which is tens and ones. It should be 0. Both should be 0, or it should come in the table of 4. 32 comes in the table of 4. This is divisible by 4. This number 145, the last 2 numbers is not 0. And it does not even comes in the table of 4. So this is not divisible by 4. Divisibility test of 5. In this test, you have to see the ones place. The ones place should be 0 or it should be 5. So in this, it is 5. So this is divisible by 5. In this 1, this is not 0. It is not 5. So this is not divisible by 5. Doing divisibility test by 6, it should be divisible by 2 and 3 also. So 248. We have taken two numbers, 248 and 258. So first we'll start from 248. As 248 is an even number, it is divisible by 2. But when you add 2 plus 4, which is 6 plus 8 is equals to 14. 14 does not come in the table of 3. So this is not divisible by 6. 258. So 258 is an even number. So it is divisible by 2. And 2 plus 5, which is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. So it is also divisible by 3. So this is divisible by 6. Divisibility test by 9. For checking the divisibility test by 9, it is similar to the one with 3. You have to add and see whether it comes in 9 table or not. So we have taken two examples, which is 318 and 297. We'll start from 318. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 does not come in 9 table. So it is not divisible by 9. Then this number, 2 plus 9 is equals to 11. 11 plus 7 is equals to 18. So this number is divisible by 9. In divisibility test by 10, you have to see the ones digit or the units digit. It should be 0. So we have taken two examples. It is 444 and 150. The units digit is not 0. So this is not divisible by 10. And 150. So the units digit is 0. So this is divisible by 10. We will learn about multiples and factors. So first, factors. What is a factor? Factor is a number that divides the given number completely. For example, the given number is 12. So 1 can divide 12, 2 can divide 12, 3 can divide 12, 4 can divide 12, 5 can't divide 12, 6 can divide 12. As 6 is the half, we stop here and write the number itself. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So 2 and 3 are prime factors of 12. Now let us learn about multiples. Multiple of a particular number is the number that appears in the multiplication table of the particular number. So let us take the example of 6. Let us write the table of 6. 6 ones are 6. So these are the multiple of 6. Multiple of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48 and so on. Prime factorization. So first you have to write a vertical line, then a horizontal. Then you have to, as this is an even number, this is divisible by 2. Write 2 here and 2 to the 4, 2 here and then 2 here and then 1 here and 3. 3 sevens are 21 and then 7 here, 1 here and the end. So this whatever you write on this side should be a prime number. So to check if you have done correct, you have to do like 7 ones are 7, 3 sevens are 21, 2 21s are 42, like that. And then let us take the other number, which is 72. Draw a vertical line, then a horizontal one. Then as this is an even number, it is divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6. So 3 will come here. Then as a 1, it will take 1 to become 7. We'll write the 1 over here. So 2 6 are 12. 6 here, 36. And as this is an even number again, we'll take 2 again. So 2 ones are 2, 1 here, and as it takes one more number to become 3, we add the 1 over here, 16. So 8s are 16. So 18 here. Then 2 again, because this is an even number. Then as we know, 9s are 18. And then 3s are, because 3 3s are 9. And then 3 1s are. Now let us see if this prime factorization method is right. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 2 9s are 18, 2 18s are 36, 2 36 are 72. So this prime factorization method is right, and this prime factorization method is right. What is now we'll learn about LCM. What is LCM? LCM means lowest common multiple or least common multiple. So there is first method of doing LCM is you have to write the multiples of the given number, and you should see which is the lowest common multiple. So if the given number is 6 and 7, I have written the multiples of 6 and 7. So multiples are 6 and 7. So does 6 comes in this table of 7? No, it don't. It doesn't. And 12 does not come in the table of 7. 18 does not come in the table of 7. 24 does not come in the table of 7. 30 does not come in the table of 7. 36 does not come in the table of 7. 42 comes in the table of 7. So I will round up 42. So 42 is the LCM. LCM. It is 42. Next method is prime factorization method. For this method, we took different numbers, and we are going to do this separately. As this is an even number, we are taking 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 2. 2 2s are 2 1s are. So we'll prime factorize 8. 2 4 2 1. So now we will check whether this prime factorization method is right. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So this prime factorization method is correct. Now we will find the LCM. 16 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 8 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now the common one, which is 2 and 2 and 2. Okay, find the LCM. LCM is equals to, so now we will take 1 2 from each pair, which is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and the leftover one multiplied by 2. So let us multiply. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is equals to 16. So next is the division method. For this time we took 24 and 14, as these both are, in this method we will write both numbers together. As these both are even number, we will take 2 only. Then 12s and 7s. As 12 and 7 does not have any more common factors, we will stop here. So, to LCM is equals to 2 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 7 is equals to, so 2 multiplied by 12 is equals to 24. 24 multiplied by 7 is 4 7s are 28. 8 here, 8 here, and then 2 here. Then 2 7s are 14 plus 2 equals to 16. So now we will see where LCM is applied. So we will take an example. So if one box has a packet of 12 pencils and the other has 8 erasers, so we have to find out the minimum number of each item to be bought so that both are equal. So now we will use the division method. So 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. As prime numbers come and there are no more common factors, we will stop over here. So now we will do the multiplication. 2 multiplied by 2 and then multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 24, and 24 is the number, and you have to buy 3 packets of 3 boxes of 8 erasers and 2 boxes of 12 pencils. And you will see that here the opposite side is 3, so 8 you have to buy 3. That in that way also you can see. So 12 means here the opposite side is 2, so you have to buy 2 packets of 12 pencils. Now we will learn about HCF. HCF means highest common factor. HCF is also known as GCF, which is greatest common factor, and GCD, which is greatest common divisor. So for understanding, we will take one example, which is 16 and 20. Now we will write the factors of 16. So 1 divides 16, 2 divides 16, 3 does not divide 16, 4 divides 16, 5 does not divide 16, and 6 and 7 also does not divide 16. But 8 divides 16, as 8 2s is 16. We will stop here and write 16, the number itself. So for writing the factors of 20, so 1 can divide 20, 2 can divide 20, 3 can't divide 20, 3 can't divide 20, 4 can divide 20, 5 can divide 20, 6 can't divide 20, 6 can't divide 20, 7 can't divide 20, 8 can't divide 20, 9 can't divide 20, and 10 can divide 20. As 10 is the half of 20, we will stop here and write the number itself, which is 20. Now we will write the common factors. Common factors are 1, 2, 4, and that much. Now we will write the HCF. HCF is the in 1, 2 and 4. 4 is the highest. So 4 is the HCF. Now we will use the prime factorization method. So for doing the prime factorization method, we took one example, which is 24 and 30. First 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are, and 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 ones are. So now we will do 30. As 30 is the even number, we will take 2. So 2 ones are 2, as it takes one more digit to become 3. So one digit will be written here and this will be 10. So 2 5s are 10. Now we'll erase this one so no confusion. Then as 3 5s are 15, so we'll write 3 here and 5 here, 5 here, 1 here. So now we'll see if this is right. 5 ones are 5, 3 5s are 15, 2 15s are 30. So 24 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Answer. So now 30 is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Okay. So this is the we have written. So now we will round off the common factors. So 2 and 3. Now HCF is equals to in 2 pairs we will take one pair. In 1 pair there are 2 numbers, so we will take one number. So 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. So this 6 is the HCF. Now we will use the division method, and that we have taken one example, which is 36 and 28. As these both are even numbers, we will take 2. So 2 ones are, and as it takes one more number, we will write the 1 here. 16 means 2 8s are. Now let's erase this one. Then 28, then 1s are and 4s are. Then 2 here. Okay. So now 18 means 2 9s are 18. So 9 here and 2 7s are. As 7 come and 7 is a prime number, there are no more common factors and we stop here. So HCF is 2 multiplied by 2. The answer is 4. So now we will see where HCF is applied. So just think that man gives you 48 pens and 24 pencils. They asked to make maximum number of packets, but you should use the same number of pens and same number of pencils, and nothing should be left over. So how will you find out? How will you find out? In that time we will use HCF. So let us do HCF and find out. HCF is equals to 2 multiplied by 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 3 multiplied by 3. So the HCF is 24. So by doing HCF, we found out that we should make 24 packets, and in each packet there will be 1 pencil and 2 pens. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new in this video. If you want more educational videos like this, then please comment in the comment box. And if you liked my video, then hit the thumbs up button.